Someone was asking me if it causes stretch mark. It does not cause stretch mark. The product does not cause stretch mark at all. Rather, it eliminates stretch marks. It helps to reduce and oftentimes remove stretch marks totally. It does not cause. Hi guys, good to see you all. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Uju, and in this channel I create problem solving videos on skincare, healthcare, and the general well-being of the feminine body. If it's something that interests you, please give me a thumbs up and watch until the end of this particular video, okay? And if you should learn anything new, please push the subscription button and support me. That is the only way I get strength to keep pushing in this YouTube street. So with all of that being said, in today's video guys, I'll be reviewing this product to you all. This is the Alpha Arbutin Sugar Scrub. It's a face and body scrub here. So first off, this is how it is, okay? It came this way, packaged like this, just like this, okay? It's not sealed. Just I want to open the cover. There is a plastic and aluminium layer on it, so you need to like peel it out before starting to use it, before you use it. The name of this product is the Alpha Arbutin Sugar Scrub. It is from Dr. Menaya. It's a face and body scrub, okay? I specifically got this product for 4,500 naira in Nigeria here. It's quite a lot, yeah. So the product is a nice one. You can see my body. I just started using it less than 10 days, and you can see it's already speaking. It's a whitening scrub, it's an exfoliator, and it came with a spa perfume. Like, the smell of it is marvelous. It's good for all skin type, okay? For all skin tone, whether you are dark skinned or light skinned, you can use this particular product, okay? How you're supposed to use this product: some persons use it before bathing, but I recommend you to use it after bathing, okay? Once you're done washing your body with your normal body wash and your face with your normal face wash, then you go in to apply this particular product, because then your body will be, you know, wet, damped, you know. So you literally scoop a piece of it and then you rub it on your face in a circular motion. You can see I've been battling with acne and acne scars. You can tell, and this product has indeed been doing marvelous work on me. You can see the scars are, you know, reducing, then really eliminating everything, dead skin cells, you know, blackheads, fine lines, everything is just taking everything out. This product is indeed the bomb. So after you finish washing it up, scrubbing your face in circular motion, you could be hard, you could be gentle. Know me, my body is sensitive, my skin is sensitive, so I usually go in gently, you know. I just rub in circular motion around my face area, you know. Yeah, I'm experiencing acne scars. I wash it, apply the scrub in circular motion over there. I go through my neck area, you know. And on your hands, please, while applying this product, you need to scrub it upwards to the direction of your heart. Okay, that is how to use the body scrub. You scrub it to the direction of your heart. You can be using the exfoliating hand glove, but me, I basically use my hands to just apply everything. So you apply the direction of your heart, okay? Your hands, direction of your heart. It should be going upwards, even on your leg. When I apply on your leg, it should be going up. Direction of your heart, your back, your body, all over your body, okay? Most likely those places you're experiencing darkness, your knuckles, your knee area, you know, your leg, your ankle, your elbow. Just wash up everything. And I tell you, if you are dark skinned, it makes your dark skin and color to, you know, portray well. If you are light skinned, it makes your light skin color to, you know, come out well. This scrub is really nice. That is the way I use it, and I use it twice or thrice a week. Just it depends on how I'm feeling, but you could use it thrice a week. Once your body is adapting to it, you can just limit it to twice a week, so that it at least lasts for you, you know, to be economical. So that is how I basically use this product. This product is a 10/10. Here's how it is. You might be experiencing it being thick. That is the butter they use in making. Maybe it has congealed. That's why you're seeing the thick and, you know, sticky texture. So this is how it is. You can see, made of sugar. It's a very nice product, and it dissolves easily into the skin. It dissolves easily. The product is very good. That's a very good smell. The spa-based smell perfume is nice, guys. You should try this out, okay? Try it out. The product is okay. It helps to whitening your skin. It's anti-wrinkle. If you're experiencing fine lines and wrinkles, it helps eliminate that. It helps to clear black spots. It helps in nourishing and moisturizing the body. Just as I said, it dissolves easily, and then it leaves your skin you feel so supple, so cleansed, so clear once you use this product. Yeah, it slimming and tightening the skin. If you're experiencing loose skin, it helps to firm up everything. Yeah, it removes stretch marks. If you're experiencing stretch marks on a particular part of your body, apply this product. Okay, it helps to eliminate stretch marks as well. It's anti-acne. It helps to treat and fight acne. And lastly, the aroma spa. The smell is heaven. It's a go-to. It's a very nice product. It consists of AHA 30% plus BHA 2%. It's a deep skin rejuvenation. It restores delicate and translucent whiteness. It is good for all skin tone, for all skin type. Okay, try it out and tell me what you think of it. Someone was asking me if it causes stretch mark. It does not cause stretch mark. The product does not cause stretch mark at all. Rather, it eliminates stretch marks. It helps to reduce and oftentimes remove stretch marks totally. It does not cause stretch marks. And please do not use it too often. Once you use that, you're experiencing any irritation from your body type, please discontinue. Stop using it. Okay? The product does not cause any stretch mark of any kind. It's a very nice product. It's a go-to. It's very hydrating, moisturizing, nourishing to the body. And it dissolves easily. It leaves your body soothing and supple. I don't know why you're not using this product. And most things our parents did, like if you see most women, their skin, they're looking so red, everything burnt, that they were not using this body scrub. Get your mom a body scrub and get yourself a body scrub and see how your skin rejuvenates, how your skin will be restored back. You see some persons, their face, their body, red. Hello, it's just burnt from cream. Too much creams are using. Cream, and you wish to be lightened, just get yourself a body scrub, and all those blemishes, dark head, acne scars, wrinkled, fine lines, textured skin will just be out. Hyperpigmentation will be out. Okay, get yourself this blackhead, whitehead, fine lines, wrinkles, stretch marks, acne scars, hyperpigmentations, textured skin, everything you can think of, every disorder, discoloration of the skin, every disorder on the skin. This is going to treat it. I'm assuring you that. I'm assuring you, it's from a doctor, it's made from a doctor, and it's just for external use only. Ingredients used in it, I tell you that there is nothing like harsh chemicals. Let me list it as well. It's a natural exfoliant that effectively polishes dead skin while helping to promote blood circulation on the skin surface. Natural shea butter deeply hydrates, nourishes and softens dry skin while helping to enhance elasticity. Apply all body in circular motion in shower or bath. I've told you, should be applied in circular motion during shower. Because if you are thinking of a gift to give to your mother, give her this. Aged people, they are prone to having BP, so this will simply helps engage their blood circulation levels. It will help regulates their blood circulation level whenever they are bathing with this body scrub. It helps to improve the blood circulation in the body. So get your parents, your mom, this. I can't imagine a dad using it. Just get your mom a body scrub. Go for this and thank me later. Yeah, it is a natural product, no chemicals, no chemical at all. Yeah, if you wish to be clearer, if you wish your skin to be clearer, opt in and stop using numerous creams on your body. This is a small skin. Do you want to burn the skin out? Even some person, their skin is already burnt out. So just opt in for this and thank me later. Okay, bye. See you in my next one. Yeah, so if you learned anything new from this video, please give me a thumbs up and definitely please subscribe. Okay, we need to get to 500 subscribers. Let's start with that first. Please, you guys should push me to 500 subscribers. Okay, and comment nicely. Bye.